Hey, welcome back, guys. We're set up over here shooting some videos. Sawblade.com. Welcome back, man. Check it out. We got both the dining table going on and the butcher block table. So I thought it's a perfect opportunity to set up over here and talk about our new sponsor. Perfect opportunity to talk about our new sponsor, Sawblade.com. What's going on today, man? We're going to cut the end off of this thing, get it squared up, ready to go. We're going through our order over here. We've got saw blades for everything we do, every saw we have. Right on. Shooting a little video, man. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to Snapchat. All right, keep going. Put the brand on it, but it's ready to go. Oh man, that lens is filthy. Broken in about 3 places too, man. I gotta get a new phone. In the meantime, guys, we got a video. We got 2 videos this morning. Sawblade.com. Man, that came out beautiful, guys. Contractor's gonna stain it. That's our turn to finish this one. And this one's even gonna be better. Watching. Be sure to come back tomorrow, man. Do some welding. Thanks.